She eats apples. She doesn't eat apples. Does she eat apples? They play soccer. They don't play soccer. Do they play soccer? He reads books. He doesn't read books. Does he read books? She sings songs. She doesn't sing songs. Does she sing songs? They live there. They don't live there. Do they live there? He runs daily. He doesn't run daily. Does he run daily? She speaks French. She doesn't speak French. Does she speak French? They swim there. They don't swim there. Do they swim there? He drives cars. He doesn't drive cars. Does he drive cars? She dances well. She doesn't dance well. Does she dance well? They work. They don't work. Do they work? He sleeps. He doesn't sleep. Does he sleep? She speaks English. She doesn't speak English. Does she speak English? They watch movies. They don't watch movies. Do they watch movies? He exercises. He doesn't exercise. Does he exercise? She cooks meals. She doesn't cook meals. Does she cook meals? They study there. They don't study there. Do they study there? He speaks Spanish. He doesn't speak Spanish. Does he speak Spanish? She teaches math. She doesn't teach math. Does she teach math? They play instruments. They don't play instruments. Do they play instruments? He enjoys games. He doesn't enjoy games. Does he enjoy games? She writes poems. She doesn't write poems. Does she write poems? They travel. They don't travel. Do they travel?